My heart's been ripped wide open.
What's up guys, this is Emmanuel. Today we're gonna install some racing stripes for this Dodge Charger Daytona. Let's do it.
I've been set free. I've been set free. I spent a lifetime running, fearing what I'd become if I stop playing goalie on all of my thoughts, yeah. Speaking out straight from my heart, but now I see. Oh, I see this love is taking over, breaking through my chest and overflowing. With every single beat, it pulls me closer, closer to you.
Okay, now I already added a tape. This is my guide. This is the center of the car. Okay, that's what I'm gonna use to put the stripes in the middle. All right, I'm gonna install one side first and then the other one. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the hood and then the roof and then the trunk after that. So this is very easy to do because this is wrap material, but if you are not using wrap material, you need to use water and soap. Okay, but for wrap material, it's a dry metal, no water. All right, so let's start with this one.
Looks like I'm on time. Just put the spirit in my words and watch the song fly. Jesus save me, I just came to lift him on high. You took my penalty when I was living offside, and now I'm in your kingdom, things been looking all bright. I put the truth inside the music so they get the message. I guess somebody gotta do it when the tunes are septic. Me and the team, we came to eat, we cooked the food and blessed it. No weapon form shall stand, just do like Ralph and wreck it. I ain't take the class, I clept it. I'm on a vibe, I checked it. They said to watch your step, but I've been up in heaven. No time for playing games, cause I know I can't play it safe with my ambition in the way. I try to keep it separate. I'm thinking less about getting money just to buy some clothes. I'm thinking less about building names that everybody knows. I'm thinking less about walking stages, playing sold out shows. I'm thinking everything we see that glitters isn't gold.
What else could I do but give my life to you when I don't understand it? God, you always keep me standing. Oh, you've been so good to me. God, you've been so good to me. Oh, you've been so good to me. God, you've been so good to me. You're a good, good God, you never fail me, no. Gotta keep my hands to the ceiling, knowing I could barely scratch the surface of how good you really been. The man I am is just a testament that you withstand. Turn your could to can, chug a choo-choo. Waddy Piper, God with you I can. Got me marveled. In your grace, you can call me stand. Lift my praise high like a banner or a flag. Cause you my captain, you protect me from attacks. The greatest avenger, my protector, you are my dad. Closer than I know, you've never left me outmatched. Yet that's who you'll be until the end of time. Captivated by your glory, got me hypnotized. God, you by me by my bedside every night. With me when the sun's shining and it hits my eyes. No, you ain't tripping through any trials, so why should I? Remind my soul when it's down that you El Shaddai.
I ain't a victim and I ain't evicted. I win before the battle started cause I'm with the victor. He never leaves and now I know, so my perspective lifted. In every season or the storm, now my perspective shifted. I can't deny we gotta shine, we steady with the mission. I know that we can change the world, the Father's children gifted. Most of the folks I know been out here trying to play the system, but what was lost can't be recovered just by chasing riches. I learned to give your life for money really isn't a trade up. I seen God keep lights on without seeing a pay stub. Society tells us to lie about getting our cake up. I learned you might be called to do the thing you've been afraid of. The most beautiful part's my wife ain't involved any makeup, and growth needs wanting discomfort more than wanting to stay stuck. We're sons and daughters of the King, we've been born from the same blood, and I know life is best designed when we're lifting his name up.
What else could I do but give my life to you when I don't understand it? God, you always keep me standing. Oh, you've been so good to me. God, you've been so good to me. Oh, you've been so good to me. God, you've been so good to me.
You've been so good to me. You've been so good to me. You've been so good to me. I know you ran to me. I had to lose my life to find the one you handed me. Don't need the vanity, yeah. I just want your love.
Yeah, I got a story to tell. I know they want me to fail. If they throw me into a cell, I know wife she paying the bill. Cause I can't afford to be quiet. My city is dying and children are crying. Be alert, not devour. The enemy's prowling you just like a lion. But we got the keys, I promise you. Hold on to the peace inside of you. No, I'm not alone. You're not alone. You got an army who follows you. It's time to rise up, lift your eyes up. Yeah, hope is on the way. And we gon' be the change. Cause we are unrestrained. Yeah.
I'm not alone, I'm never alone. My family is with me, wherever I go. Let's be the change that we wanna see. We're taking a stand for what we believe.
Yeah, when I'm in doubt, I'ma pray it out. Believe in that name, so I say it loud. School system wanna take it out. Then wonder why no one behaving now. These are days for my generation. Feel like we living in Revelation.
Okay guys, the car is done. You can see it. It looks beautiful. So these are 11-inch wide stripes. These are not the 10-inch. These are 1-inch wider. Okay, the link is gonna be on the description in the video. And this is the gold metallic color. The car looks great. You can see the roof, trunk, and the rear bumper. It looks beautiful. Okay, but remember, these are a little bit wider than the OEM stripes. The OEM are like a 10-inch, so it stops right here. So this is 1 inch wider. And also I did the inlays for the Daytona. So this one I'm gonna have it available on my website too, and the link is gonna be on the description below. Okay, you can see it there. Looks amazing. Looks great. The other one, the roof, the hood, looks beautiful. Okay guys, let me know what you guys think on the comments. Okay, for those that are gonna ask why I'm doing this one outside, it's because I'm doing this one and I have this one. I cannot move it. This one is gonna be like in 1 or 2 more videos. Okay, but wait for this video. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss this video, the wrap for a Porsche Panamera. Alright guys, these are the stripes for the Dodge Charger. This will fit the Scat Pack and the Daytona, the one that has the hood scoop in the middle of the hood. Okay, these are gonna be available on my website in the description below. These are 11-inch wide, so it's an inch wider on each side. I also have available that 10-inch wide, but if you want these are the 11-inch wide. Okay, everything is gonna be on the description below. Even the Daytona decal overlay, that one is gonna be in the link below. Okay, let me know what you guys think about these stripes. Put in the comments. If you like the video, please like the video, subscribe for more videos like this one, and see you in the next video.